Mommy Knows Best, and today I wanted to tell you about our delicious new chocolate Brewer's Yeast. After our traditional Brewer's Yeast was such a success and we had so many moms asking us for recipes, we realized that the majority of moms were using our traditional Brewer's Yeast in sweet concoctions, things like smoothies and shakes, so we decided to help you along there. We came out with our chocolate Brewer's Yeast, which combines our delicious Brewer's Yeast powder and some delicious dark chocolate cocoa powder. Today I want to show you our Chocolate Lovers Overnight Oats, which is my personal favorite way to use it. Just like all of our recipes, this one is very simple and easy to do. Great for moms on the go. You'll start with a cup of oats, 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I like the vanilla flavor. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Next is 2 teaspoons of our chocolate Brewer's Yeast. 2 tablespoons peanut butter. You can do creamy or chunky, and if peanuts are not for you, you can also substitute with any type of nut butter, like almond butter. 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and last but not least, a tablespoon of chocolate chips. I prefer to use dark chocolate chips and the mini morsels. Now comes the hard part. Mix thoroughly. These overnight oats will take on the consistency of slightly wet oatmeal. But because you'll be storing them in an airtight container overnight in the refrigerator, the oats themselves will plump up and absorb all of the extra liquid from the almond milk, the maple syrup, and some of that peanut butter. Looks perfect. Now you'll want to put this in 2 airtight containers. Mason jars or Tupperware containers are just fine. Try to split it evenly. And I like to do that by putting it all to one side of the bowl and then just cutting it in half with my spatula. Doesn't have to be perfect, but then you know you have at least 2 servings out of this. Small dollops work best to fit in without making a huge mess. Seal them up, pop them in the fridge overnight. After your oats have sat in the refrigerator overnight, it's time to enjoy. Now, you can either leave them in their to-go container, which makes it perfectly portable for moms on the go, or if you know you'll be eating at home, you can easily transfer them to a dish or a bowl and eat that way. If you are taking with you, you can throw a couple of extras, like blueberries, bananas, strawberries, extra chocolate chips, whatever works for you, right into your container. Or if you're enjoying at home, feel free to spoon into a dish and feel free to top with blueberries, strawberries, extra chocolate chips, whatever makes it delicious for you.